Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, you can run but you cannot hide seems to be the fate that has befallen the former chairperson of the Nigerian Pension Fund, the looter of course known as Buhari Maina. So with that guys, I bring you this: Maina remanded in correctional facility. So that's the headline: Maina remanded in correctional facility. So now let's see what correction is being made in the mindset of this 419 guy. The Federal High Court Abuja on Friday ordered the Economic Financial Crimes Commission EFCC to remand Mr. Buhari Maina, former chairman, Pension Reforms Task Force in Nigerian Correctional Services Center, pending the determination of the case. Justice Okon Abang, who gave the order, adjourned the matter till October the 30th for commencement of trial. It's been reported that Maina's son, Faisal, is also being arraigned in the same court on a separate but similar charge. Faisal's case is yet to be called as at the time of sending this report. It was reported that the anti-graft agency is arraigning the former pension task force chairman on a 12-count charge bordering on money laundering, operating fictitious bank accounts, and fraud. The development is coming after Folashade Ogunbanjo, a judge, ordered the forfeiture of 23 properties linked to him. The judge gave the order following an ex parte motion filed by the EFCC. The EFCC's motion was supported by a 30-paragraph affidavit which it brought pursuant of Section 17 of Anti-Money Laundering Act. Maina is accused of being involved in pension fraud running into over 100 million naira. The Federal Civil Service Commission dismissed him in 2013 for absconding from duty, but he returned to the country in 2017 and was reinstated as a director in the Interior Ministry. Following outrage, President Muhammadu Buhari ordered his dismissal and demanded a probe of his recall. So now this is now the latest goings on in the life and times of this joker called Buhari Maina. This guy, with the complete lack of humanity, emptied completely the coffers of the pensions fund. I mean, this is the heights of cruelty and lack of humanity if you really consider what this guy did. Not only did he steal, which is a crime in itself and which is bad enough, but he actually stole these monies from pensioners. So if you think pensioners are people who have served their nation or served an institution for a good period of time to then get to an elderly age when the institution or the country or the government department is then putting aside funds for them to have an easier life in their latter life. So this is what the pension scheme is for, but this guy with a complete crass lack of humanity just went in there and stole everything. But then only in Nigeria will this guy then run away, come back into Nigeria, and then they reinstate him back into that very seat where he stole 100 billion naira from. Our conversations in the comment section: Buhari Maina remanded, what says you? Come tell me what your thoughts are about this endless looting of the Nigerian treasury or the Nigerian coffers or the Nigerian Commonwealth, the endless looting that goes on in Nigeria. Come tell me your thoughts about this in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me your tales about either a direct experience or an opinion about this relentless news of looting that we hear from Nigeria almost on a minute-by-minute basis. Come tell me all about that in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join you in the comment section. But here I say peace.